Hello, welcome to this video in which I'll be talking about the content research and writing process. This basically I am dividing this into a five point in which the writing process is will be discussing about. First is your topics and a headline or the questions, frequently asked question. Second is constructing your headline out of the topics and questions and then structuring your subtopics. Third is the other questions, which is very relevant and important. Fourth is a keyword research because you should understand and know the keyword. Unless and until you know the keyword and you don't know how people will search about the product and services, then without that you will not able to put your course or put your communication into the first page, and you cannot bring them into your lead page, reading page, or communication link. And the last and final is we'll be talking about blog writing process because the blogs are also very important, as you have to also understand and find out how effectively email can be structured. Okay, the first research that about the topics and questions. So basically find out what are the problem areas, what are the trending topics, what are the questions are prevailing into the consumer mind, and which are the points they are discussing, talking, searching. So after understanding and knowing these points, you can structure your headline and your body copy and all your communication around that. So for that, I will give you a 4 research tool which will help you a lot. Also ask.com, second is a quora.com, third is a google.com, and fourth is a buzzsumo.com. Now in this tool, you can see, open this all 4 websites, study it thoroughly, and understand how you can do research on these tools. For example, if you want to create a course on financial planning, then you can write it down into also ask.com, that the most relevant questions people are asking about financial planning, or just write down financial planning and see what kind of topics emerge. Out of these topics, you sometimes get the new idea also about your course, because these are the tools which will be talking about everything trending about any subject, right? So do your research on these 4 tools, which will help you to frame your topics based on the most relevant questions people are asking, and this will help you also to structure your headline. The second step is constructing your headline and subtopics. So when you do the research, say for example, if I am doing the research on how do you plan your wealth, so if I put this on also ask.com or anything quora.com, then there are a lot of topics will emerge. So based on that topics, I can plan all my communication strategy, I can plan my infographics, I can plan my video, even I can plan my course, mini course, free course, or a webinar also. Correct? So find out what people are talking about, what are the trending things through this 4 tool. And similarly, also find out what other questions people are asking on that relevant topic of your course or subject of your course, because it's all about the problem and solving the problem. So if you have a deep dive research on the problem, then you can have a very good solution which you can provide to your target group, and so that your course can be sold. The keyword research is also very important, the fourth point. And for keyword research, in today's context, if you do not do your keyword research, then you will not gain anything. Why? Because keyword research, how people will uh, find out the product or the solution. Say people have some kind of need, and that need they will put through their keyword on Google. Say for example, which is the best course on financial planning. The moment you write this keyword, then on a first page, a lot of things will emerge. So if you know which are the keyword people are using for searching around your course, around your topic, around your niche and sub-niche and micro-niche, then after understanding and knowing this keyword, you can structure your communication so that whenever anybody will do the keyword, whenever anybody will Google your requirement through keyword for finding the solution for their need, then your course or your services can emerge. For that, there is a very good tool available. This is called LSI Graph. LSI Graph and Ubersuggest. These are the two very good tool which is available for keyword research, and you must use this to write amazing copy, amazing body copy, write down to write a bullet points and all that. Also, for selling your course and for creating a hype about your niche and micro niche and course, you have to write blogs, because blogs are also very effective tools. So here in the blogs also understand one point, headline is very important, because headline is the carrot, headline is the trigger, headline is the entry point. When people like your headline, they will go into deep dive and they will read about your copy and everything. Without headline, they cannot do anything. So headline is very, very important. How to write headline, how to do research and all that we already discussed. And to validate your headline, I have given you some tools also like scoreschedule.com and sharethrough.com and all that. Similarly, for body content of your blog, there should be a section, there should be a paragraph, there should be a bullet points, there should be triggers, there should be a micro links for where through that micro link they can go to another subject, they can know more about the subject, they can deep dive, do research on that subject. And your blogs has to be well designed. You should put a lot of graphics and pictures and everything to that. So these are the basic and important points about the copywriting for your keyword research, for headline, for body copy, for blogs. Even the similar things been used for writing, designing or structuring your direct mailers, for your brochure or anything in that manner. Apart from this course schedule and Sharethrough, there are other tools also available which you can Google and can find out and do your research, and whatever you are comfortable with, you should use it. But without that, you cannot have a compelling headlines and body copy, and which is very essential for your copywriting skills. Thank you, and next jump to the next secret or next video. Thank you.